Tremolo is a very important technique when it comes to Yangqin performing arts. Usually we use this technique to play long melody lines. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple exercise to practice tremolo, also known as 轮音. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music. If this is your first time watching my video, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts as well as music tips and live lessons that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. The most important factor for tremolo is the balance of the Yangqin sticks. If you have not watched my video on how to balance the Yangqin sticks, I've shared the link above on the card. Please go and take a look before you proceed with this lesson. Alright, I'm going to do a demonstration for you to let you understand how this exercise works. First of all, I'm going to play 8 times on the right hand followed by 8 times on the left hand. Then I'm going to do alternate hands for both hands. I'm going to play 4 different speeds. The first speed that I'm going to do is 55, followed by 65, 75, and 85. Alright, for every single speed, I'm going to do 4 sets of the exercise. Let me start off with the speed of 55, and every single beat, I'm going to set it into a semiquaver. This is how it sounds like. 3 and 4, go. Now at the speed of 65. 3 and 4, go. Now at the speed of 75. 3 and 4, go. And now I'm going to do it at the speed of 85. 3 and 4, go. Alright, I have already demonstrated 4 different kinds of speed for you to practice on the Yangqin. You can always start slow. You can start from a speed of 40, then gradually increase the speed of 5. So from 40 to 45 to 50 to 55 to reach the first milestone. There are total 4 milestones that you need to reach. Do not try to attempt from 40 straight away to 55 because the big jump, your body will not be able to handle it. It needs time to adjust to the speed change. Alright, so this is a simple way for you to practice your tremolo. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you like what you watch, remember to hit the like button and to share with your friends. Do not worry about the speed for the tremolo. Always start at the speed that you're comfortable with and increase gradually along the way. If you have any question regarding the video, remember to leave a message below in the comment box so that I will be able to reply you. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.